This stormwater drywell kit offers an underground way to capture and slowly release runoff, which really helps eliminate soggy spots and standing water in the yard. Its modular plastic chamber provides far more storage than a traditional rock-filled pit, yet is light enough for a homeowner to handle without heavy machinery. The included side panels and top cover are designed with knockouts that make it straightforward to tie in standard drain pipes or connect to catch basins and channel drains. Because it relies on a mostly open interior instead of loads of gravel, it delivers significantly higher detention capacity while using much less backfill material. Multiple units can be stacked vertically or spaced side by side, so it scales well from a single downspout to larger drainage projects like rain gardens or bioswales. Once buried, the structure is sturdy enough to sit under lawn areas that see foot traffic or garden equipment, keeping the system out of sight and out of the way.